If your Nissan displays an automatic emergency braking or AEB warning light, it means the system has detected a fault and may not operate correctly. The AEB system uses a forward-facing camera and, on many models, a front radar sensor to monitor traffic ahead and help reduce or prevent frontal collisions. When a problem is detected, the system is disabled until the issue is repaired. Common symptoms include the automatic emergency braking warning light, forward emergency braking becoming unavailable, forward collision warning not working, and additional driver assistance warnings appearing on the dashboard. In some cases, intelligent cruise control may also be affected. The most common causes include a dirty windshield blocking the forward camera, a blocked or dirty front radar sensor, heavy rain, snow, or fog, low battery voltage, damaged wiring or a camera or radar sensor that requires recalibration after windshield replacement or front-end collision. Start by cleaning the windshield in front of the forward camera and the radar sensor located behind the front grille or emblem. Depending on your Nissan model, scan the vehicle for AEB-related fault codes, inspect the battery voltage, and check the wiring. If the vehicle recently had windshield or front-end repairs, the camera or radar sensor may need professional recalibration. After repairs, clear the fault codes and verify that the warning light remains off.